And on that same note, you might be able to get a fourth kind of COVID-19 vaccine in the U.S. soon. It's newly authorized by the FDA for emergency use, and the CDC is likely to recommend it this month. Amy Kiley reports it arrives just in time.
The virus continues to evolve very quickly. We have to constantly be updating our response.
Well, here's a notable update. You could soon have access to a fourth kind of COVID-19 vaccine. A version from Novavax now has FDA emergency use authorization. The CDC is expected to recommend it as soon as this month.
It's great that we have additional options, especially for something that's slightly different.
It's unlike the other three vaccines because it uses protein fragments to teach the body how to fight COVID. If you're vaccinated against hepatitis B or whooping cough, you probably already had a vaccine that works like this. The latest variants weren't around when Novavax developed its vaccine, but the company says it appears to have a broad immune system response to the BA.5 Omicron offshoot. That's good news because it's the dominant variant right now and the most contagious one yet.
There's also fatigue, sore throat, headache. Anecdotally, we're seeing some of this more with BA.5.
Experts say getting vaccinated is your best protection against severe illness. But if you haven't gotten boosted this year, you might want to reconsider.
Immunity against infection wanes pretty quickly, and it goes way, way down.
Meanwhile, drug companies are trying to update existing vaccines for whatever comes next.
The vaccine that we are going to have in the fall will be a substantial upgrade, but we'll see how closely it matches what is circulating at that moment.
I'm Amy Kiley reporting.
And speaking of the COVID vaccine, 23 ABC is taking an in-depth look at the latest vaccination rates here in Kern County. According to the most recent state data, the county has administered more than 883,000 vaccines. Now, of that vaccinated population, 61.42% have received at least one dose, and 55.28% of these individuals have been fully vaccinated. Lastly, in the state, Marin County has the highest percentage of its population vaccinated at 87.75% tonight.